Meet TechWear. They have engineered a line of high-tech athletic apparel and are preparing for a massive launch. But dropping a new product into the market and hoping people buy it guarantees failure. To actually secure sales, TechWear has to rely on a strict framework rather than guessing. That framework is the marketing process. It operates as a cyclical blueprint containing 6 distinct steps to navigate from idea to profitable reality. The order is non-negotiable. If you skip a step or shuffle the order, the strategy breaks down. Sticking to this exact sequence guarantees TechWear a coordinated launch, and for you, it provides the exact structure you need to write a high-scoring HSC extended response. Let's walk through it. Step 1 is situational analysis. They assess where they stand, weighing internal capabilities, like unique fabric, against external factors, like competitors. They also plot their position on the product lifecycle. TechWear starts in the establishment phase, requiring a heavy focus on brand awareness. Step 2 is market research. Now that they know their starting position, they need raw data from the outside world to guide their decisions. They gather this in 2 ways. They collect primary data by running fresh surveys directly at local gyms, and they pull secondary data by analyzing existing government reports on fitness trends. Armed with data, they move to Step 3, establishing market objectives. To be effective, these goals must follow the SMART criteria. A specific target for TechWear is to increase market share by 5% within 12 months. By completing these 3 setup phases first, a business avoids spending capital on a product that nobody wants. Next is Step 4, identifying target markets to decide their customer base. They can target the entire population with a mass market approach, carve out a specific market segment, or focus on a highly specialized niche. TechWear isolates a segment of high-income, tech-savvy athletes. Now pause the video. Think about that specific group of athletes and write down 4 marketing strategies you would apply for TechWear. Let's check your work against Step 5, developing marketing strategies. TechWear finalizes the smart apparel as the product, sets a premium price, launches targeted social media promotions, and chooses exclusive online retail for the place. This reveals a major HSC friction point. Marketing strategies are not the whole picture. They are simply Step 5, nested inside the overarching marketing process. Finally, we reach Step 6, implementation, monitoring, and controlling. TechWear puts the plan into action and sets a financial forecast for their expected revenue. This dashboard is used for monitoring, observing data to compare their actual sales line against planned results. But observation isn't enough. If numbers fall short, they transition to controlling. Controlling means taking corrective action in response to monitored data to revise the strategy. For example, if sales lag, TechWear controls the situation by dropping the price point or shifting their promotional spend to a different platform. Without distinguishing between watching data to monitor and steering the ship to control, TechWear would fail to hit revenue goals regardless of product quality. TechWear moved from a raw situational analysis to a dynamically controlled launch by following the steps. To maximize your exam marks, map this sequence to NESA terminology. The framework flows from situational analysis to implementation, monitoring, and controlling. Avoid the common exam trap. Notice the strict separation between the marketing process and marketing strategies headings. Memorizing this sequential framework gives you the exact structure needed to dominate business studies case studies.